Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated OnePlus Open 2. Recently, its design and specifications have been leaked, and we're here to break it all down for you. If you're a tech enthusiast or simply curious about what's next from OnePlus, this video is for you. The OnePlus Open 2 boasts a sleeker and slimmer profile with curved rear edges, making it more ergonomic and stylish. This design evolution not only enhances the look of the device but also ensures a comfortable grip, making it ideal for prolonged use. The device is expected to feature an impressive 8-inch LTPO main display with a stunning 2K resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This combination promises to deliver vibrant visuals and a buttery smooth user experience, perfect for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. One of the key features of the OnePlus Open 2 is its triple rear camera setup. This includes a 50MP main sensor, along with ultra-wide and telephoto sensors, ensuring you can capture high-quality photos and videos from various perspectives. Whether you're snapping landscape shots, close-ups, or anything in between, this versatile camera system has got you covered. The improved camera technology also suggests better low-light performance and enhanced image stabilization, making it a great companion for photography enthusiasts. Under the hood, the OnePlus Open 2 is rumored to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, providing top-notch performance. This powerful processor is designed to handle the most demanding tasks with ease, from intensive gaming to multitasking. It will offer up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, allowing you to store all your important data and run multiple applications without any hiccups. This level of performance ensures that the device will remain fast and responsive, even with extensive use. The OnePlus Open 2 is expected to have an IPX8 water resistance rating, giving it an extra layer of protection against water damage. Whether you accidentally drop it in water or get caught in the rain, this feature ensures your device remains safe. It will also feature a robust 5,900 mAh battery with support for 80W wired charging, ensuring you can stay powered up throughout the day. This means less time spent charging and more time enjoying your device, whether you're working, gaming, or watching videos. The OnePlus Open 2 is anticipated to launch early next year, with a global rollout expected in Q1 2025. This exciting new device is set to make waves in the market with its impressive specs and features. As the launch date approaches, the anticipation continues to build, and we can't wait to see how the OnePlus Open 2 will compare to other flagship devices in the market. Stay tuned as we explore more about the OnePlus Open 2 and other upcoming tech innovations. This device promises to bring a lot to the table, and we're excited to see it in action. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates and insights on this groundbreaking device and other tech trends. Your support helps us bring you the best in tech news and reviews.